More snow heading for the New York City area tonight. What can we expect from this storm? Let's break it down. Hi guys, I'm John with the New York Metro weather. Today is Friday, February 16th, and in the wake of our last snowstorm, which brought us the biggest snowfall of the winter, not that that's saying that much, we have another one on the way here tonight into Saturday morning. Models have been up and down with the potential with this storm, some of them keeping it further south, but now we have agreement on the fact that it will snow in eastern Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and the New York City metro. So this is just a weak disturbance. It's going to be in and out of here pretty quickly, but it will have the potential to produce some light snowfall. So let's break it down. Here comes the storm tonight. This is after midnight, coming in through Saturday morning, the early morning hours of Saturday here. This is around 4 o'clock in the morning, and then by the time we get to 5, 6 o'clock, this system is beginning to pull away by sunrise, and then by the mid-morning hours, it's gone. We'll still track a couple of snow squalls and showers behind it as we get a little bit of an Arctic air mass moving in behind this storm. But this is a quick-hitting storm system, and the real question is going to be how far north does the heavy snow get? Depending on which model you look at, it's going to be really close. Most guidance suggests, though, that New York City and northern New Jersey will be right on the periphery of this heavy snow. And as we saw with the last storm, sometimes the heavier precipitation can be further south, but if you're on the northern fringe, you can actually get into a better band of snow right on the periphery of the system. And that's what we're expecting in New Jersey and the New York City metro for a period of time, late tonight into early Saturday morning. Snowfall totals, if you look at most models right now, the general range is 2 to 4 inches around the area from eastern Pennsylvania into northern New Jersey and the New York City metro. Depending on where you are, that might be closer to 1 to 3 or 2 to 4. Kind of a mixed bag on most model guidance right now. We'll fall in between 2 to 3 inches, seems like a good bet right now in the New York City metro from Friday night into Saturday morning. So let's zoom in, break it down hour by hour. Here comes the system. This is valid at 12 o'clock in the morning. That's when light snow will begin across northern New Jersey, eastern Pennsylvania, and New York. Let's fast forward to 2 o'clock in the morning. That snow has become steadier and heavier. And then as we move to about 4 o'clock, that's about the peak of the event. We could be looking at a band of steady, occasionally heavy snow across northern New Jersey and the New York City metro. So if you're traveling very late tonight or overnight in the morning, you could have some difficulty moving around. Take it slow out there. Then as we get to about 5, 6 o'clock, the storm pulls away. I mean, it only lasts a couple of hours. And then by 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, it's really just light snow and flurries lingering around with cold temperatures. And then we'll monitor a few snow squalls. These could continue into the early afternoon on Saturday, and they could produce briefly heavy snow as they come through. Again, looking at the totals, this is just one weather model, but the potential for 1 to 3 inches and that localized band of 3 to 4, maybe 4 to 5 if you get lucky in very specific areas. You see the models indicating this thin band of potential for higher snowfall amounts. We see this all the time on the northern fringe of the storm, so that's what we need to watch for. But again, this is a quick hitting storm in New York City, light accumulations through tonight and then into Saturday morning, and we'll watch for a couple snow squalls to keep things feeling really wintry around here on Saturday. We're going to have updates through the afternoon and evening on this system. If you have questions, leave them right here in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys.